Hi everyone. So I'm sorry the lighting's not great. It's kind of towards the end of the day. So this video is all going to be about Miss Stellaluna. Miss Stellaluna has a little bit of a puffy cheek. I don't know if you can see. And we are going to take her to the vet in a couple days. I couldn't get an appointment. Today's Friday and she's going to get to the vet on Tuesday. Thought I'd just show you her. Her fur is a little bit like she's not grooming herself quite as much as she normally does. I'll also insert a picture of her tummy. Her tummy's a little bit discolored. And I don't know if you can really tell because she's squirming around so much, but her little cheek is a little bit swollen. And the main symptom that she's having is she's sneezing. I'll insert a couple clips from last night of her sneezing. She's been doing this for a couple of days, and it's normal for them to do it every once in a while, but this is happening fairly frequently. Of course, she's not doing it right now because I'm making a video, but I'm going to give her some unpasteurized honey, so raw honey, because that's an inflammation reducing food. And then I'm going to not give her, dried fruit and her yogurt drops that she loves so much for a few days at least until this doctor's appointment. The unpasteurized honey, oh, there she's sneezing. I don't know if you can hear it. But the unpasteurized honey is not a treatment or a replacement for the doctor. So I don't want you to get me wrong there. Ooh, yum. But it is going to help a little bit with the inflammation, hopefully. I mean, it's just kind of just a thing to get us by until Tuesday. Her case is not emergent. She's not having any lack of appetite, obviously. She's eating fine. She's doing her regular sleeping schedule. But her little cheek, let's see if I can, oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. It's okay, I'm so sorry. Her one little cheek is a little bit puffy. And I probably wouldn't have even noticed it, but I was being extra observant because of her sneezing that I've noticed for a couple days. So we'll see. I requested an x-ray and her whole face just looked a little swollen to me. But we'll see. We'll see what the vet says, and I'll document that as we find things out. But this is just part of having sugar gliders. They have teeth issues a lot, and you really want to make sure that you're always have an emergency vet fund because these things do come up. I've had quite a few different situations with my gliders since I've gotten them a few years ago. Yeah, is it so sticky? Is it so sticky? And you never want to be in a position where your glider needs a vet, but you don't have the money to do it. That's just a terrible position to be in. And that could really, in the case of sugar gliders, because their health deteriorates so fast, that could really end up bad very soon. Of course, she's not going to finish licking this off. Of course you're not. Of course you're not. But I thought I'd just document this because, that's what I do. I document my life and hopefully it helps somebody. And, but she really enjoyed that, but I think she's full maybe because now she's looking for a place to go to sleep. So I'll give her a little bit more of this later tonight too. I'm just going to put her in my no-sew bra pouch, just herself, because, I don't want to have to give honey to all of them. So this will just be our little special bonding time. We're gonna do a movie tonight with the family, so she's just gonna be my movie buddy tonight, aren't you? And maybe there's nothing wrong, but I would rather sleep better knowing that we got it checked than to risk having it get bad. So you don't want to wait for things to get bad with sugar gliders, because if they do, they can go south really quickly. So if she does have some sort of sinus infection or a tooth abscess or something, the anti-inflammatory honey should help get her by until we see the doctor on Tuesday. Huh, baby girl? We're gonna make you all better. Yes, we are. My kids are playing, so I'm not sure if you can hear that. Hear that? That's a nice girl. Okay, so we just dropped off. My mom's here with me. Say hi.
Hello, hello.
It's my birthday, so we decided since we had to take Stella to the vet, we would make a little fun trip out of it since we have to drive about an hour to some places where there's more shopping. We're going to go to Target and get some retail therapy because I hate dropping off my gliders at the vet. Anyway, I dropped her off at the vet. They did a quick exam. She did see that there was a little bit of puffiness on her cheek. She did notice her sneezing, and we opted, instead of just treating with antibiotics, to do an x-ray under sedation, just to rule out everything that we possibly could and know exactly what we were looking at if possible. So that's what we're doing. And I'm waiting. They're doing that on her right now. And so we're just going to do some shopping to try to take my mind off of it and celebrate my birthday a little bit. So I'll keep you guys posted. Hi guys. So we're back from her vet appointment, back from my retail therapy. Got some really cute baskets and stuff like that. I'll show you guys later. But for Stellaluna, the x-ray came back great. No issues they couldn't find. Her exam went great. So they did prescribe her some antibiotics just in case she might have some, like a little respiratory infection or something like that. So I'm going to give her her first dose of that. So I thought I would document that for you guys, for anybody that's interested. And then I'm going to put her back in the cage with her friends for the rest of the afternoon. She did great traveling home. I think she might be a little sleepy from the anesthesia. Let's see, I'm gonna put her right here. And then they marked on the little thing how much to give. It's just a very, very small amount. You can see on here, it's just a very small amount. 0.04 milliliters once a day for 10 days. So that's what I'm going to fill it up with. It does taste good, so I'm hoping she's going to like it. But if she doesn't, then I know how to give gliders medicine without them liking it. Hi, baby girl. See if she'll take it. And try some. Ooh, that tastes good. Oh, yay. Oh, good. Oh, yeah, you really like it, huh? You want to lick every drop off? Whoa, you really like that. That's good. Yay. See, I'm sneezy. I'm sneezy. The vet did say she's lost some weight since her last appointment, too, so that's definitely another indication that she might not be feeling well. Oh, can you see her sneezing? Yeah. There, yeah, that's a sneezing. That's what she does a lot, so hopefully we'll get that to stop. Just gave Stella her medicine. Now she's having a couple mealies. She's a sweet baby. I love when she's tired and she eats with her eyes closed. So cute. I love when she eats with both hands like that too. See her sneezing though. She's still sneezing. This is day 2 on her antibiotic. She's on amoxicillin. She's just sitting in my hand in my bonding glove. Bonding mitt, I guess I should call it. Yeah. What, honey?
I said I get honey on my finger.
Oh. She won't bite you. Don't get it on her ear, though.
I can't. I'm not getting some more.
Do more, yeah. Yeah, good treat noise.
Okay.
Oh, yummy.
She really likes that.
Yeah, she does. Okay, so Stellaluna's new antibiotic came today. She had a 10-day dose of the amoxicillin, and now she's on the clindamycin because it didn't seem to get the sneezing to go all the way away. This is not going to taste as good like the other one did, so I'm going to show you how to give a glider medicine when they don't really want it. So I put her in this pouch, and what you're going to do is really just grab their head. She's going to be like the worst because she hates to be restrained. So you grab their head, roll the pouch down, and then you're just gonna basically pry it in their mouth and then just shoot it in there, in the corner, like from the side. That's it. Now, she's all done, so now she gets to have treats. So I already had mealies all ready for her, so she's not mad at me, since we'll have to do this every day. That wasn't too bad, was it, sweet girl? That wasn't too bad. Yeah. And she's supposed to do that for 10 days, every 12 hours. So I guess that's twice a day we get to do this, sweet girl. Oh boy. You're gonna be so happy about that. Just got done giving Stella some yogurt as a treat since it has the probiotic in there. Just with her being on a heavy dose of antibiotic, I wanted to give her some good probiotics. She's still sneezing. She had some loud sneezes just a couple minutes ago. I was gonna see if I could document them, but here's a loud one. She's such a cutie pie. Yogurt honey mealyworms. It's on the menu for tonight's treat. Ooh. Good yummy. Yeah. Yeah. I'm glad you still have a good appetite. Ooh, what are you gonna pick out of there? You're licking some of the honey? Ooh. Ooh. Some little sneezes. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Hey, girl. Are you all full? You gonna have some more? Yeah. Tickle baby. Get honey on your nose? Yeah. The medicine might be helping. The medicine helping, honey? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, baby. Yeah, little sneezes. Yeah. Something's irritating her nose for sure, because she doesn't ever groom her nose this much. Oh, baby girl. Yes. Oh, I'm just documenting this for myself. All the days are blurring together, so I'm just trying to be able to look back and make sure she's actually making progress, you know? She's doing so much better.
Really?
Yeah. Honey, you're barely even sneezing. Oh, I'm so happy.
How come she did it a bunch when she just started going?
Well, she'd just been given that medicine, which tastes gross. So I think that has something to do with it. And she kind of goes, you know, because she hates the taste of it. But before, I'll have to show you a video from before, just a couple days ago, how much she was sneezing.
I think I heard it the other day when you were, this morning you were
Last night when I was actually tracking, I was writing ticks, counting the sneezes to see if there's any progress from 3 or 4 days ago till a couple days ago. And there wasn't really any, except for she had less grooming fits, but the sneezes were, if anything, worse. So this is like way better. She sneezed maybe...
Big turd right there.
Yeah, that's why I have the napkin here.
That's good thinking.
She sneezed maybe like 10 times. By this time in the other videos, she sneezed 60 times.
Oh, wow.
Look how good she's doing. It's a Thanksgiving miracle. Yay. You don't like that taste, do you? Ugh. Dick. She only does that after she has the medicine. I don't think she likes the taste, and then it goes away after she has a treat.
Is she still sneezing?
Just a little bit.
Hmm.
It more sounds like her nose is just a little bit stuffed up, so she kind of squeaks. She's not really sneezing as much as she's like kind of squeaking.
Like that?
Yeah.
Alright, love you, Mom.
Love you too, baby. It's like she's so tired, her eyes are only half open. She's like, you gotta wake me up to get me this medicine.
It's like 8:30.
She usually sleeps until 10:30.
Really?
Yeah, she's the latest riser. She's not a morning person. Say, I'm not a morning person. No, I'm not a morning glider. I'm too sleepy. It's weird though, when she was, I give her that medicine and she shakes her head. This weird thing came flying out. I don't know what the heck that is.
Can I hack that up or something?
Well, she wasn't coughing, so it's not like she hacked it, but I guess it could have come out of like her sinuses or like her nose or
It's too big
her
for
mouth.
nose, though, right?
Well, yeah, I mean, her nostril's not even that big. But like maybe like, I don't know. I don't know what that is.
It's squishy.
Yeah, it's kind of squishy, but it's not like gummy. Like, see, like my fingernail like indents it. It's like a casing of some sort. All right, so a little update on Stellaluna. The last video that you saw was quite a few days ago now, and that's when she had that thing come out of her mouth, and or I'm assuming came out of her mouth. The only thing that we can think it is, and I'm gonna consult her vet with that when I follow up with her today, but we're thinking it may have been a walled off abscess that was in kind of like in her mouth from her sinus cavity or something. Anyway, so she's still sneezing a little bit and does seem to have made progress, obviously from the beginning, but not 100%. And so today I'm going to follow up with her vet, give her a call and send her an email with details on how she's doing and see what she says. See if she wants her to stay the course. She was supposed to be done with her 10-day dose on antibiotics about a week ago, but she wasn't completely done with sneezing. And so I contacted her vet then and I asked her, so I guess it's been about that long since I did the video last. I asked her how long I should keep her on the antibiotics, and she said that to keep her on them until she's stopped sneezing for 3 to 5 days. And that still hasn't happened. So she's not completely done sneezing. So I'm gonna call her vet today and just update her and see if there's anything else that she wants me to do. I'm gonna be in the area tomorrow so I can bring her there. I do think that she sneezes a little bit more right after I give her her medicine because she hates the taste. But yeah, so but I've been observing her obviously at times where I haven't given her medicine and she still does sneeze some. She's not aggressively grooming and it's not as often, but it's still happening. So anyway, that's the update, and then I will let you know what the vet recommends and what we do moving forward as well. Okay. All right, update on Miss Stellaluna. I talked to her vet and I'm in the process of getting second opinions to confirm, but her sneezing in the meantime has gotten a lot better to where I think when she's done with her antibiotics tomorrow, I think maybe even Friday, I might continue through Friday, and then we're just gonna take her off because she is not really sneezing hardly at all anymore. So, yeah, she's doing a lot better. Her vet said finish the second 10-day course of antibiotics and then take her off and see what happens. I was really reluctant to do that with as much as she was sneezing before, but yesterday and today it just doesn't really seem like she's sneezing that much. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And if it doesn't turn out well, then you know I'll document it and I'll keep you posted. But otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and put this video up. And just hope that taking her off the antibiotics doesn't make her progress go backwards. Hi, baby girl. Hi, baby girl. She's just having a little honey and yogurt. She sneezes a little bit after I give her antibiotic because she doesn't like the taste. So that's why she's sneezing a little bit right now. But even that is just kind of normal, like, ugh, 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 you know, sneezes, I think. So anyway, I'll keep you guys posted if there's anything different. See you, bye, Stellaluna.